của con vậy? Đó. Quay cô hơn, ok? Đi con, ok? Trên chiều đi.
Hello, dog tag. I am going to show you my voice. And there's this new thingy, but I did not click that because I don't want to click that. Kayla, say hi! Hi! That's Kayla. And then I was going to show you how to... Oh no, just do it. I'm silly, I'm weird.
All aboard. Final call for the Blue Heron. Traveling to the land of JAMAA.
Bite me,
Well,
nub.
hello there. Click the mouse.
Bite me, nub.
Welcome to the Blue Heron. I am Liza, the panda.
Liza?
I will be your guide as we travel. In the land of JAMAA,
Whatever, I'm going to sleep, yo. Oh, I know.
Click on your animal picture to customize your web.
I'm not pressing that.
Great job.
You want me to change my look? You're gonna be so mean to me?
Color tab to change the shape and color of
What
your
else?
Click on the pattern tab
Oh, maybe.
to change the shape
Get out!
and color of your pattern.
No. Don't go in the email.
When you love the way you look, click on the X button in the corner to exit.
Whatever.
In order to purchase items,
I'm not going to JAMAA. Because I'm awesome. And I'm not rich. I'm not a rich person. Ooh, maybe she's online. Karate 226. Aw, man. Maybe Jordan forgot. This is my friend Jordan. She's real, but she won't accept my buddy request. I told her to come online, but she didn't. Caitlin, how do you get out of the bowling thing? This is Kayla, aka Pepper. Just kidding. How rude of you. Pepper is a famous person. How dare you? This is no. Wait. I have clear too. Okay, so this is Kayla, and I'm going to post this on YouTube. No, you better not. I will. Caitlin, how do you get bowling? I'm not famous, so nobody will watch this. I'm gonna name this Welcome to JAMAA. No. Whatever. I'm not copying you. My Jen! No. That's a hard place to go. Animal Gym Box. Deer Rock. Whatever. I don't think Deer Rock. Turtles are awesome! Okay, ready? Add me. I am Caitlin from your class. Real. Nathan, you're next. Just kidding. I cannot show my face because I am not. I do not have face cam. I don't know how to put on face cam. So let's see. Ooh, my big sister. Wow, nice. Hey, sis. That's Kayla, my best friend.
Thầy không biết hả?
She's 13 and I'm 14. Actually, yes. Her voice sounds small and small like mine. If you can't see the screen cover, I'll fix that. Just start. I got a new collar. I saved up 3 hello. Okay, that's just people spelling. People. This is my recording desk. So no. I shall not leave. I need my penguin. My penguin to play with Jordan. No. Gorgeous. I see. I'm a tomboy. This is the voice I am. I sound like a 8-year-old, but I'm actually 13. A and B. Okay. I'm a penguin. Woo! I'm gonna break dance. Whoa. Break dance. Break dance. Yo. Swag. No, I don't want to be friends with any of you. You're mean. You just walked up to me and you just clicked on me and added me. That's so rude. I'm just kidding. Yo, swag girl. Swag, yo. It's swag in this, Kayla. You are weird. I know. Swag girl. Swag people. I'm gonna run around and say swag peeps. Swag peeps. Check out. Peace out, Girl Scout. Peace out, Girl Scout. Oh, I'm gonna practice that. Peace out, Girl Scout. If you see me down here, just ignore that. Or just, if you see me, I'm 13. I look young. I look like this. Come on. You can't go on slides anymore? Can't you go on slides? What happened? I thought you could go on slides. That's weird. So I'm gonna stay here and make videos because my mom said I can finally put my voice on you now. Even though I'm not famous. Tell me stuff for mail time. I'll get you straight. Borrow. I'm gonna make people jealous. I'm just kidding. Shoutouts to this person. Come on, don't you keep running. A good girl 2008. Daddy's girl 1104. Weird. Party I'm going to teach you glitch in the next video. So stay tuned for today's stay tuned. Actually, I don't have any darlings. Whatever. I made me famous too. So you will never see my face. I'm the unknown face. So I'm going to go to the next glitch video today. So see you next time on Roxy.
Wow.
Bye.
One more. Đây.
This is awkward. Bye bye.